In this recipe, we will be using potatoes, bacon, shallot, garlic, heavy cream, salt, pepper, butter, cheddar cheese, and Parmesan. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember to wash your produce thoroughly before peeling it and cutting it. Cut potatoes can brown because of tyrosinase enzymes on its surface reacting to air. After washing and cutting all of the ingredients, the first step is to add the heavy cream to a saucepan with salt, pepper, garlic, and some of the shallot. Heavy cream is placed in a saucepan over medium heat and brought to a simmer, allowing it to be reduced and thickened. It must be constantly stirred to ensure that it evenly reduces and does not burn. After reducing the heavy cream mixture, the potatoes are layered evenly with the sauce and covered with foil before being placed in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. There are two types of heat transfer that occurs in this recipe. The first is conduction, which is a direct transfer of heat through contact. The second is convection, which is the transfer of heat by moving air or liquid currents. Conduction occurs through the frying pan while cooking the bacon bits. As the casserole is baking, conduction also occurs through the baking pan while convection occurs throughout the oven. The baking pan is covered in aluminum foil to help the cheesy potato casserole bake evenly. As the casserole is baking, begin cooking the bacon bits over medium heat until golden brown and crispy. Remember to wash your hands before and after touching raw meat. The raw bacon should not come into contact with any of the other ingredients to avoid cross-contamination. Remember to wash the cutting board in between each food product to avoid cross-contamination with warm water and soap. After an hour of baking, take the casserole out from the oven and remove the foil. Add the bacon bits and place it back into the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes or until the cheese is golden brown. The Maillard reaction is a non-enzymatic reaction between amino acids and a reducing sugar that results in browning after being heated. The browning process of the cheese and bacon in this recipe occurs due to this reaction.